Start.
Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands listed in today's order. Speaker sir, Home Department ache uloitna police water. I begin by commending the bravery and services of our brave police and emergency services. Police water maga dista Speaker sir. But however, jenna e munta, there are a lot of rotten apples everywhere where we go, and this has basically brought bad name to their colleagues in the police department. Ana Speaker sir, of late, maga dista police personalan they are on the radar of the department for being addicted to alcohol, drugs, and even gambling. Speaker sir, or ek note maga dista viral jalo, and a notan barikshe signed by the SP. It has been reported that nowadays there is an increase in the number of alcohol and drug addicts among police officials, thus spoiling physical as well as mental health. And the police station units, restrooms have become places of officers as well as lower staff to consume alcohol. Drugs on duty and gambling is part of activities in police stations and units. Yes, because this is an absolutely shocking thing. And yet, because this internal note moved within the department itself, because has flagged of concerns of alcoholism, drug abuse among police officials today. Police hui tinga zoritor sogle ganja, soro, kadani, he sogle zoritor te police ko dei zalar common man anani kit korpaje speaker sir. And I believe there has to be seriousness. And if there is no seriousness, the immediate and stringent actions on these addicted people during duty hours has to be taken. Because zaite suvidai they do, counseling, anti-alcoholism, anti-narcotism, just seminars जावपाक जाय. हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता the government basically has failed to bring immediate measures to curb this rising trend. And that's because the police, although they have performed well in nabbing the culprits, but because if you look at the conviction rate, conviction rate of the apprehend is very low. Conviction rate, overall conviction rate of India is about 57%. And if you look at the Goa conviction rate, it is about, for 2022 with criminal cases was 25.7%. And in 2023, this further dropped to 19.8%. So, we now a conviction rate.
Yes, sir. Overall, it comes to the 40%. Atachi just recent je आपण नो. ते सांगतो तुका तू फक्त स्पेसिफिक सांगले म्हणून आम्ही सांगला आणि
overall India 57% हा.
अरे आता मी improve करून 40% वर गेले.
ना, improve बरे हा. India 57% हा. Speaker sir, this is basically because of the failure to collect evidence. आणि जे witness असता त्यांका because the department has failed with this department. That is why basically this crime detections, because I believe is ये conviction ha, ये conviction हुई ना हो देवत ha. Because crime against women, every young girl today ये वाढत है कित्याक वाढता जायत तरेचे migrant non-Goans are involved in this sexual crimes against women. जेन्ना ये जाता we proposed for a calling attention move जाल्ले, you all proposed that a bill आटले म्हण. Because a conviction of crime against women, conviction आचे सांगता तुका, in Goa is 21%, and national average is 26%. Pendency of such cases, because is almost 95.3%. Because crime against children, yeah, figures zoritor choilyar, conviction rate of cases in Goa is 13.8%. And 19.8% pade ha is national average ha. So the pendency of child-related cases pade ha is because is almost 96%. Because एक incident जो जालो आसा गांव या आसा गांव मुखार गांव आमचे आस्तले काय कितें has exposed the entire department. आमी त्या जाग्यार आमी गेल्ले, सकाळी गेल्ले, मागीर रातीको मुख्यमंत्री आयलो, local MLA आहली. But because of what actually happened there, because local MLA Delilah Lobo also was there. She was also trying to help around. But what turned, I think the people of Goa need to understand and need to know. If you look at the nexus between police, politicians, and criminal, this nexus, amka khabar asmaka sir. And it looks like several officers were involved with Delhi land investors and bankers. Speaker sir, the reality of how the police are lawbreakers instead of law enforcers, in particular case in Amka, we came to know, and this police criminality, it was exposed. Speaker sir, I take this opportunity to put it on record that a lot of central politicians, officers, yes, soglangeli inga Goyan property hai. Property hai, speaker sir, जायते proxy नावान पण आहे. जायते minister आली सगळ्यांनी. Speaker sir, LAQ जोरी तो आमी चोयल्यार आमका जबाब दिला की with this particular Asagaon incident that the inquiry is in progress and no role of any police officer has been established. If there was no role, जाल्यार तांकां suspend कित्याक केले? जे आहले ते तांकां suspend कित्याक केले? Because it is clear that म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय the state home ministry basically has failed. आता ज्या पद्धतीन crimes against women are rising with convictions as minor exceptions. And if you look at the cyber crime आजे जेन्ना आमी उलयले स्पीकर सर, आज our police force seems to be underprepared when it comes to cyber crime. आमचे कडेन एक high proactive cyber cell म्हाका दिसता that works with other agencies establish जावपाक जाय. फक्त ही complaint register जाताय. जेन्ना complaint register जाताय, registering of cyber complaint is no way to tackle the actual cyber crime. Apart from फक्त लोकांक advise करप आनीक detection and prevention हे म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय cyber crime हुंय ना हुंय we have basically failed. ड्रग्साचे मागीर येता स्पीकर सर. I have seen जे म्हाका दिसता आज the way drug menace also आयच्या दिसाकूय आनी एक raid I think about चरस गांजा हे हिंग गोंय सारके मेळत आसा वाडत आसा. स्पीकर सर आज एक म्हाका दिसता after this Asagaon incident bouncer and police there seems to be some connection. We saw it for the first time in the open in 2024. And हे म्हाका दिसता this could be just a tip of the iceberg. कित्याक आज आमकां दिसता outside police station people are agitating, demanding for filing of FIRs, demanding for arrest. हे गोंय पयलीं केन्ना जायना आसलें स्पीकर सर. स्पीकर सर 2024 for development जाली with regards to the home department is absolutely shocking. And म्हाका दिसता these are indicators that the people are losing faith in the police. आता when we speak about crime against tourists, I think the Canadian government advises its female citizens to be careful while traveling to Goa. जे advisory म्हाका दिसता is still active only with pertaining to Goa and Delhi. Because of when due to high rates of violence against women, हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता you need to check, speak to the External Affairs Ministry, speak to the double engine and get this clarified. Because फक्त Delhi हा and गोंयांत आनी हुंयचे स्टेटी ना. Because we know that Canadaचे they have passed advisory हा तेंगेली the crime against tourists.
कोणा Canadian?
हय. Delhi आनी हिंगा हा ते अजून भायर काडना तेमी. ते मातशें उलय. ते मागीर हें कितें जाता तेचो
दिल्ली ताका सांगलें
तेका खबर आहा ती. स्पीकर सर जे 3 कायदे नये पास केले with the Indian Penal Code anik I believe that they are passed. Now I'm pointing out about the changes in laws. म्हाका दिसता without mindset जोरी तो लोकांनी if the department fails to make sure that the mindset, attitudes and the functioning of the police, म्हाका दिसता the police department functioning will be less effective. थोडेशे आमगेले आहाय that project themselves as saviors. It's because of basically gaps in orientation, training of police officers and personal department आजे हुई ना हुई चुकता. हे म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय. जेलीचेर हांव मागीर येता पूण crimes in jails, reports of drugs, jail administrations, all these things need to be looked into very, very seriously. And that's because, sir, जे road accidents जाता, आणि with regards to road accidents, last calendar year, एक 5 दिसांनी 5 deaths in 1 week. आणि if you look at the figures because of this year, from January to April 2024, 852 accidents have taken place, out of which 99 people have lost their lives, 130 people were grievously injured, and 276 got minor injuries. It's because answer जेन्ना आमकां डिपार्टमेंट दिता ते म्हणटा कोण टुक्को राती घेताय, ड्रिंक एंड ड्रायव्हिंग, irresponsible driving, stray cattle, animals, if these are all the basic reasons given to us. But hui na hui maka distas because accidents are killing people like insects. And if you look at the way this is rising, Honorable Chief Minister needs to look at it. I believe the GCCI and GIM has also written to you to reduce these road accidents. The improvement of road infrastructure जावपाक जाय. Law enforcement आचे हुई agency हुई ना हुई हम fail जाता है. I believe because this is something that is a very, very serious thing. आता सायबर क्रायमाचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना मुखेलमंत्री बाब जो तुगेलो हेल्पलायन नंबर आहा 1930 सायबर क्रायम पोर्टल, हावेवर त्या क्रायम्स जे पडे आहा त्या पोर्टलाचेर चलले ते उणे जायनाय. उणे कित्याक जायनाय बिकॉज सर 300% rise high, 300% rise in cyber crime since 2020 as per the NCRB statistics पडे आहाय. According to them, it's because of 21 to 22, only 1 person has been convicted. They cyber crime पडे आहा. This is something that खबर आहा हिंग एल्टन बाब ना कोणागेर मोबायलान कितें गेल्लें टाकाचको ते मागीर अजून तेजी जाप ना. खबर आहा तुका कसलो व्हिडिओ आनी कितें जालो तें ह्याच सभागृहांत जाल्लें त्या वेळार. पूण ते मागीर अजून एक केस जरी तर तुमी जाग्यार गायनाय जाल्यार म्हाका एक केस कन्विक्शन जालेली आहा. बिकॉज तुवें कित यू हॅव सेड दॅट यू आर स्ट्रेंथनिंग युअर सायबर सेल. So what are you going to strengthen? You need to incorporate what technology, what is better for so that these cyber criminals are nabbed. What is the technology that you will use? It's because आता main homage under जो casino आहा. आता ह्या casinoचेच because this comes under the purview of the Home Department, and I believe that this is basically a curse to Goa, and basically people in Goa have suffered and are continuing to suffer. मुखेलमंत्री बाब हे मातशें आयक काबराल एक मिनट हे कसिनो पडे हा ही तुगेली संस्कृती न्हू म्हाकाय खबर आहा. तुगेली इट्स नॉट योर कल्चर. It's not your culture. It is not your culture. So I'm just trying to tell you, this is a very serious thing. It doesn't suit Goa. Whether you are going to look into it, time and over again, म्हाका दिसता तुमी देवला saying that how got revenue generate कोताय कोणान हाडले आनी मागीर आम कितें करपाचें ते बंद करा. बंद करा स्पिकर सर. कित्याक जे 349 crores जेन्ना revenue you are supposed to receive, आमी ती नाव गेली. When will you receive about these land casinos? Have you written to them? ते दीस तुवें गुगली गायली की कोण कोटा आहा मग तो अजून ऑन आहे. ग्रँड हायता एक्झाम्पल सांगत तुका सगळ्यांगे नाव घे नाव. सो रायट अ लेटर टू देम, अदरवायज वी विल हॅव टू एजिटेट. माझे माननीय मुखेलमंत्री 349 crores when you will recover तुवें आमकां सांगचें. स्लॉट मशीन जे चलतंय हांव तुकाय शाबासकी दिता. गेले ते पुसाय काणकोण तुवें बंद केलें. तुगे उदाहरण घेनाय मुखेलमंत्री सांगलें आनी आमगे हांगा कुंकळ बंद आहा. ते मशीन हें बंद आहा कितें ऑनलायन गॅमलिंग. इतले भुरगे, हाऊ मेनी यंग पीपल हॅव लॉस्ट देयर लायव्स. बोटीचे जे जोटाले ते थिंग दिसा भितर मोडक्या भाशी थिंग मोडक्या नंबर तर सकाळी एक येता राती एक येता. हिंग मिनट्यान एक नंबर आनी हूंय ना हूंय इतले लायफ लोकांगेले काबार जाता. बट माननीय मुखेलमंत्री हांव मागोता, the government of Tamil Nadu has come with some app that can trace. I gave you a suggestion last time. Please look into it, whether you can track them. Because these apps, because Don inga hai, Don je pade hai, je operator hu, ek amko Elton Babing na, je maka dista headquarter. Or Don inga ha te Don open close Don to. Open hui jata, close hui jata, जायते भाशी. ते सगळे खबर आहा, पण एक्शन घे नाही. हेडक्वॉर्टर हुई थिंग फातोड्डा हा मग सांगताय सगळे जाण मग काय जायना. स्पिकर तुका
डॉन तू हांगाच म्हणटा सभागृहान
गोंय आहा गोंयांत
हां गोंयांत
हा
हांव म्हाका दिसता तूं हांगा
कसं-
सभागृहान आसना
आतां जे हे ऑफ शोर कसिनो आहाय हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता तुवें यू हॅव टू लूक एट दीस व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियसली. ऑफ शोर कसिनोचें जें डेफिनेशन आशिल्लें इनिशियली आय बिलीव जे तांकां रिलोकेट कोतले म्हूण. when will you relocate them, or every time you give them extension 6 months 12 months it is एक प्रथा जाल्या. are you, I have said ही तुगेली संस्कृती न्हू, it is not in your culture. will you work on it, or still more extensions will you give? हेजेर मातशें हांग जबाब दी, मागीर तूं लास्टा जबाब दिना. म्हाका मातशें एक कोण there is some one small this, that is why I am speaking first. मातशें दी हांव मागीर तुका
जबाब त्या वेळार पयलीं दिवपाचो.
because sir जे आज part the bad name as Goa has got with casinos, I believe that how are you going to change it? One fellow was saying he would change it in 100 days. I don't know what happened after that. ते सायडीन गेल्यार सगळे चेंज जाताय. सो मातशें हें कितें ना कितें तुवें हेजेर एक कायदो काडपाक जाय. बिकॉज सर होम डिपार्टमेंटाचें जेन्ना उलयतना टेम्पल्स, चर्चीज and other religious places, if you look 35 cases have been taken place with robberies and other religious places from 2022 till date. This is your what your answer says. Safety जे बाउन्सराचे जे चलतात तुवें पयर रिप्लाय दिली की सेक्युरिटी एजन्सी रेग्युलेशन एक्ट 2005 दे कम अंडर दॅट. बट हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता बिकॉज 9 कंप्लेन्स आर रजिस्टर्ड आनी एज हे तुमी जे बाउन्सराक घेवन भोंवताय युआर ओके, बट जे दुसरे प्रायवेट बाउन्सराक घेवन भोंवता तें बंद जावपा जाय. तें बंद करा. तुमी मंत्री तरी तर सगळे बाउन्सराक घेवन भोंवल्यार मागीर तें हें जावपा कित्याक म्हाका दिसता स्पिकर सर हूंय ना हूंय ही मॅसेज रॉंग वयता. आतां कमिंग बॅक टू द ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स आनी एक्सिडंट स्पॉट्स, 33 accident prone zones, 33 black spots from 2023 till here. The surface transport minister, you had asked for 100 crores. And I think, I don't know whether it has been sanctioned, whether it has been approved. Yeah, black spot ache. If you look at the accidents, I pointed out 900 sumar accidents in the last 4-5 months. So many people have died. Apart from dying, there are so many injured. Because sir, हेजेर उपाय कितें? डेव्हलपमेंट केलां, बट डेव्हलपमेंट जरी तर बॅड इंजिनियरींग आनी यू डोंट हॅव द फोरसायट, हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता यू हॅव टू लूक इन टू दीस, रेक्टिफाय इट and give us an answer when you, because last 2 years we are asking about these black spots. Because sir, crime against women, je figures if you look from 2020 till date, it says 1232 cases are registered and 154 cases are registered in this year from January to June. So this graph is also going high. I think you need to prepare an action plan to first control the crime against women and take steps for speedy trials. And कित्याक जाता तें म्हाका दिसता it is increasing every year. So you need to look into this speaker sir. आतां FIR मो तुवें जेन्ना बजेट स्पिचान तुवें अनाउन्समेंट केलें, speaker sir, I would like the honorable chief minister to tell us कि this FIR, what has happened to this? Has it been started? What are the benefits that the common man could get through it? Is something that you need to tell us. Headquarter जे तूं बांदता मो सांगला खंय सांग्यार फातोड्डा एशी बांदीत तूं, आम सांगलो तुका थिंग शांदोर तें सात चलना मो. हांवें तुका पयर सांगिल्लें कुंकोळती मातशी एक गाडी धाड मो, तेंगे ती बॉन्ड पडत आहा. आज सकाळ हांगा PIN फोन मारला की आनी ते क्रिमिदोर आमी धांवत रावतले, तुमगे ती गाडी जरी तर पावना जाल्यार बिकॉज हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता यू लूक एट दीस, इट्स व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग. पुलीस स्टेशनूय उदो पावता. सो हूंय ना हूंय तुवें चोयचें बारीकशें चांदोरचे गांवांत जें आमचें एक चॅकपोस्ट आहा, आउटपोस्ट, तो आउटपोस्ट आनी इज आउटडेटेड. थिंगान गेल्या सारको भूत बंगलो. सो आय हॅव रिटर्न टू यू लास्ट इयर, यू प्रॉमिस्ड मी यू वूड डू इट. मातशें फातोड्डा बी हें जाता तें मातशें एशी मातशें इलें सायडी बी हांकां इलें कोण दी, सगलें थिंगा कोनाका. स्पिकर सर जें मडगांव फातोड्डा एकूतें. Because with regards to the anti-human trafficking unit, ये जे निर्भया फंड आहा 13.5 लाख रुपयाचे प्रोविजन केला. I believe that this is the need of the hour, but with this anti-human trafficking cell, because what provision you can explain that, what is the process that they do with this anti-human trafficking? If you can speak, get a reply and tell us how do they operate and whether it is a success, because there's only 13.5 lakhs of provision made. Because under budget head 03, with regards to police of the coastal security. Anik forensic science and laboratory for the last 2 years, Speaker sir, under provision of this, because the Chief Minister should tell us why no provision has been made. Last year also, this year also. The coastal security and police area, whether some other grants is substituting, you just check and let us know. Because similarly, BA budget had 02 with regards to Indian Reserve Battalion. There are no funds have been provided. So why no funds have been provided? Whether you are supplementing it from somewhere else, please let us know. Speaker sir, I believe that with the outdated vehicles across the state, police vehicle equipment is outdated. SIT investigation I brought it to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister. Transfers took place when investigation was going on. There was a lot of people also demanded properties. Maga dista मुखेलमंत्री हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय and resolve this issue. And कोण हे सगळे हिंगा हितून हे जाता ते बिकॉज जेन्ना कालच्या दिसाक 6/8/2024 हांव आतां बसून आन्सर चोयतालो एज पर योर रिप्लाय LAQ 1B from March 2022 to March 2024. Speaker sir, आज जोरी तोर मर्डर चोयल्यार from 2020 till date 146 मर्डर जाले. Kidnapping from 2020 till date 391 cases. Rape from 2020 till date 555 cases. Molestation from 20 till date 498 cases. So Speaker sir, हुई ना हुई चोयल्यार ये फिगर वाडत आहा. हे वाडटा कित्या मुखेलमंत्री हेजेर आमकां दिसता लक्ष घालून आन्सर दिवपाक जाय. Speaker sir, जेल्साचे उलयतना आज you have Honorable Chief Minister has said that he would provide solar panels on the rooftop to the extent of the central Kolwale jail by spending 1 crore. हे गायला काय कितें ते solar panel गायला. Speaker sir, today if you look जे Kolwale जे jail ha, it has become, Speaker sir, what is happening beyond its wall is spoken about all across the country. माननीय मंत्री मुख्यमंत्री हे माचे Telangana police have stated that one of the biggest countrywide drug racket operates from the central Kolwale jail. This is the statement of the Telangana police. Speaker sir,
ठीक सर ते तेलंगणा पुलीस कितें म्हणटलो आनी तो आमी ऑलरेडी जे आहा पळय तेजे स्पीकर सर ऑलरेडी ताका लेटरूय बरयला
स्पीकर
सर ताका जाला ऑलरेडी होम मिनिस्टराकूय लेटर
हैदराबाद पुलिसान anik Telangana anti-narcotics bureau conducted a raid. A raid was conducted for a rave party in a 5-star Gachi Baulimu. Tinga tenka raid conduct kota astana he sogle input mena. Ata Speaker sir, you write Chief Minister abure martu. My reply kidela.
Reply दिवला तेंच्यानी अजून.
At tunge ha ma support करतो.
आता बरायता म्हणून.
हां? मार मग तू फोन मारा नी सर म्हाका सांग सांजे. चंद्रबाबू मार फोन तेका सांग हे कित रिप्लाय हा कामो. स्पीकर सर, कोलवाले जेल
बरयल्ले ते.
हां?
पयली बरयल्ले ते म्हटला जेन्ना.
आमा रिप्लाय येल ना मातशें चॅक कर हे सिरियस तो म्हूण आख्खे कोलवाले जेल इज द बिगस्ट क्रायम एक्टिविटी हॅपनिंग. स्पीकर सर, बरयले ते जालें मागीर रिप्लाय मातशें सांग आमकां मातशें उलय तूं ते कडेन. स्पीकर सर, कोलवाले जेल जे सेल फोन इन द 100 लोकांक फोन मेळे आनी तें तुवें कोणा बरयतो तूं हें तुगेलें
सगळें सीज केलें आमी.
सीज केलें तें जालें आजून चलतय थिंगा एक बायल घेवन वयता भितर आमकां रिपोर्ट मेळा की भितर घेवन वयता सो दवरता का. स्पीकर सर, लास्ट मंथ दिस अ व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग. 14-year-old girl that was raped. Basically, rape survivor was traumatized again when she received a call from that fellow who raped. The 44-year-old person called her and threatened her. This is very serious because jeli zori tor munis ye bhashen korpa laglas because I believe they are sent by the court to face their sentence. And te phone man jo jelintlan zori anko dhamki diwpa lagole. Salar hui na hui, I believe that this is a very serious thing. You have to make sure that this jail is not converted for criminal activities. Tinga dusre je हांव उलयना पयर दिसताले कोण व्हिडिओ शूट हें काण सारके शूटिंग काण बी ते टाक 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 कसो भोंवताले ते व्हिडिओ भायर येताले पयले. थिंगसो हें ऑपरेट जाता जाल्यार मातशें तूं तेजेर हें लक्ष घाल रिप्लाय घे आनी हें सारकें सांग. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकिंग ऑन द फायर एंड एमर्जन्सी सर्विसेस, आज when we asked, I believe that this department is ill-equipped तुगेले 1106 जे सँक्शन स्टाफ हा एज पर रिप्लाय 900 अवेलेबल स्टाफ आणि 260 वेकंट पोस्ट आहे 86 फायर फायटर वेकन्सीज आहे 58 ऑपरेटर वेकन्सी आहे LAQ जेन्ना आमी मागीले की फायर ब्रिगेड हुंच मॉडेल आहे काम सगळे जे काँग्रेसीन हाडले बिचोले 2000 पोरवोरे 2008 म्हापसा 2006 व्हेकल पिलेन 2008
उपरांत सगळे तशें जाल्ल्या काँग्रेसीन खंयचे हाडल्या 10-15 वर्सां जाली
हाय म्हाका लेटेस्ट मॉडेल लेटेस्ट ती दिल ती ही आहा रे ही भायर मारू जाता स्पीकर सर सारकीच हे आनी एक प्रश्न जे ड्रायव्हर आहे विथ द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आय थिंक तेंगे प्रमोशन बिकॉज ऑफ सम नोट हेज बीन लेफ्ट तुवें जरी तो तरी लक्ष घाल्यार म्हाका दिसता सेवरल ऑफ दॅट हेजेर तुवें मातशें वाय शूड दे सफर तुका खबर आहा तो इशू अबाउट द ड्रायवर्स प्रमोशन मातशें बरोय तूं मातशें हांगा ते आन्सर दी दितलो मात तूं मागीर तूं ना ते पेज झाप कोरून मागीर कांय दिना आज लास्ट दीस स्पीकर सर जे विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे जेन्ना उलयतना बेजिकली दी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर यूज वर्ड्स जे न्यूट्रल लोकां आपूण म्हणजे थिंग विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाक घातो इन योर बजेट स्पीच आय रेड इट सो पयलीं आहले ते कितें कोताले सो मेनी केसीस आर पेंडींग एंड इट्स रायट दॅट ही पुट सो पयलीं इतली वर्सां सांगता की केस पेंडींग आहल्यो वाय वर दे पेंडींग सो न्यूट्रल मनीस हे कोण इन द डिपार्टमेंट यू प्लीज टेल अस डिपार्टमेंटान तर तुवें घायले तुगे जर तर चुकोन पार्टीचे मनशां बी थिंग भितर घायले जाल्यार दॅट तें डिपार्टमेंटान चलपाना कित्याक स्पीकर सर जें मॅन पावर ट्रेनींग आनी जें इक्विपमेंट तांकां दिवपा जाय ते इक्विपमेंट हूंय ना हूंय तांकां ते पावनाय 2019 टील डेट्स बिकॉज ऑफ सो मेनी ट्रेनींग कॅम्प जाले ना सेमिनार जाले नाय कॉन्फरन्सीस जाले नाय वॉट इज द विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट डुईंग स्पीकर सर एक रिप्लाय मुकोडे आहा की हांवें गॅजेट्स कितें हांवें काम विचारलें म्हाका हें मेळ्ळा की तेंकोडे एक सोनी कॅसट रिकॉर्डर आहा कॅसट रिकॉर्डर आनी हुंच तेंपाचो कॅसट रिकॉर्डर कॅमेरा सोनी सायबर शॉट सोनी हेडफोन आनी इयरफोन हें इक्विपमेंट हांव आन्सर दिलां And Speaker sir, I don't know how the vigilance department has to, you have to empower the Goa Lokayukta also. Speaker sir, होमगार्ड आणि सिव्हिल डिफेन्साचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना जे रेग्युलरायज तांकां करपाक जाय मोर दॅन 15 years हो इशू इज समथींग दॅट इज अक्रॉस सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे ते आहाय
स्पीकर सर ताका खबरूच ना पयले फावटी होमगार्डांक जर रेग्युलरायज करून पुलीस केले आसत जाल्यार ते गोंय
आनी उरलेय तेंक कोर मुटा
अरे उरले तेंकाय करता खंयच्या स्टेट
उरलेय तेंक मुळें
ताका 10 वर्सां सर्वीस कंप्लीट जाल्या उपरांत होमगार्ड
उलय कितले उलय
स्पीकर सर ताका सांग हेच्या पयलीं केन्नाच जावंक नाशिल्लें
जावंक नाशिल्लें अजून जाय मातशें आतां कोर तूं उलय तेंगे कोर स्पीकर सर आतां येता सारकें PWDचे येतना स्पीकर सर ना हिंगा वन्स अपॉन अ टायम सिनियर मेंबर सुदीन बाब आको सदां आसतालो हांवें जायत पुसा चोयलें हुंयच्यान वच PWD म्हणटा तें तेकोडे मागीर तें आत अंकलाक आहलें हांवें ना म्हणला बट तेको चड तेको आहलो स्पीकर सर हें जें तूं कोर आतां हय स्पीकर सर जें इट वेंट फायनली टू अदर मिनिस्टर्स ते काळो आतां जो बोवाड मारता म्हाका तरी दिसता ते मेटमू पत्तें तो बोवाड पड मारता तेजे कोटा की बरें बरें पावल मू तेगेलें बोगली तेच खात मेट जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना बट स्पीकर सर एनीवेज इट इज गॉन टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर your provision of 2975 crores is you've given a hike of 10.75% over the revised estimates of last year. Because you have mentioned about a pothole जे हड्डे पड रस्त्यार भोंवताय हड्डे दिसती पडपा नाय म्हणून हांक उतर दिल्लें आज इट इज अ वेरी सिरियस थिंग एंड इवन द चीफ मिनिस्टर नोज इट दॅट हे हड्डे आज सगळे वाडले इतले हड्डे पड वाडले गोंयभर हूंय ना हूंय you said that you would fast track it app is there but that app for instance is not enough with the about so it looks at substandard work carried out by the contractor आज because sir hui na hui choilyar this is something that is very very important PWD with regards to your new water treatment plant you have proposed 25 mld in Ganje je in 30 mld 10 mld in Pale ye sogle jori tor choyla maga disa tu ye you have to start the work. There is no doubt about it because आज फिगर जोरी तर चोयल्यास because sir 38% नॉन रेव्हेन्यू वॉटर पड जाता इज बिकॉज ऑफ लिकेजीस ऑफ द सप्लाय चेन. आनीक मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां इन द बजेट यू हॅव सेड दॅट यू आर गोइंग टू मेक स्मार्ट वॉटर युटिलिटी स्टेट. हर घर जल म्हणून सांगलोलें आनी ते हर घर जलाच्या आनी मातशें रावन येता पूण हे स्मार्ट वॉटर युटिलिटी वॉट इज द पर्पज. बिकॉज नॉन रेव्हेन्यू you said your focus will be on non-revenue and water reduction program. So you please explain to us, including advanced metering and replace of the old pipe. Because I believe that we are running out of time. Anik water pipeline burst this is a major issue. 10 to 50% of the pipes have been replaced. Everyone wants it to be replaced all across. So what is the plan? Kidak udka timer तो म्हणून लावलो 24 वर उदो दिता. काब्रालान आन्सर साथ दिल्लो 4 वर तरी पावतलो. सकाळ संकल्प म्हणटालो केन्ना केन्ना 2 वर येत आनी कितली वर येतली ते तुवें हांगा दिचें उतर. आज सद्याक तो एकलो म्हणटालो 24/7, एकलो 24/4, एकलो म्हणटालो 2 वरां. कितली तें तुवें दिचें तें म्हाका तुवें सांगचें. बिकॉज आमचो जो मेन अलायनमेंट आहा हिंगान टाक्को नाका मातशें लाडू दिनाका कुंकोळेचो बायपास. बोमा जालें तेज्या परस जातलें सारकें. हें अप्रूव जाल्लें हिंग गेल्लें. आय रेज्ड इट विथ यू विथ रिगार्डिंग टू दॅट बायपास थिंग दॅट हॅज टू बी बिल्ट ऑन द स्टिल्ट्स. नाल्यार दुसरें बोमा जातलें आनी थिंग आख्खें कोलॅप्स जातलें. हें तूं अप्रूव करून हाड मातशें. बिकॉज फायनान्शियल टेक्निकली इट वॉज अप्रूव्ड. ओपॉड रूट आहा फ्रॉम दांड्यावाडो टू पांजोरकोणी. हें तुवें अप्रूव केल्लें. काब्रालानूय जेन्ना अप्रूव केल्लें हें आनी ते पयर पांडे बारा तो आहलो तो एक मिटींग गेल्ली. स्पिकर सर, I request the Honorable Chief Minister, please look at this very, very seriously, because displacing the people there is something that we will not tolerate. The people of Kunkolim will not tolerate. Speaker sir, I believe you take the credit of national highways, Zuari Bridge, Atal Setu, all is good. I'm not saying you've not done development, but if you look, lot of leakages, a lot of they say complaint of substandard. तो एकलो पड आहा नातू ओ जावं तो हांवें नांव गेलें तें गेलें ताका मातशें आपय ते कडेन मातशें ताका ब्लॅक लिस्ट कर. IIT ते येतले आनी तें म्हाका खबर ना तें हें मुखार जावपाचें ओ जावपा न्हू तें मातशें जे हे. स्पिकर सर, आमचे मेन प्रश्न पळय हाय सब स्टँडर्ड वर्क इज हॅपनिंग एंड यू नीड टू सेट देम बाय एन एग्जाम्पल. टर्मिनेट देम, blacklist them. I hope you take this because very, very seriously. कित्याक थोडोसो जरी तो drizzle also, with a drizzle also आज हुयना रस्ते सारके they get washed away. In my constituency personally तुवें उतर दिलें थिंग ते आमी इंजिनियरा फोन मारले ते येयले पूण ते म्हणटा आनी कांय करूं जायना. मग एक दीस जालें कालचे राती हांको पावस पडले हांको बुडोलें. हें हुयना हुंय. स्पिकर सर, whether the PWD has to be named as the Poor Works Department, I don't know. Speaker sir, with regards to unscientific road and engineering, particularly at the bypass at Davli Ponda, into म्हाका दिसता a lot of deaths have also taken place from directly to Farmagudi by passing through Ponda or stretch Padha. What is your plan towards this particular stretch? Udka accumulation सगळ्या जाता. This is because of poor design, poor engineering, poor quality works. This is one of the prime reasons. Speaker sir, आतां हांव कला अकॅडमीचे येता. कला अकॅडमीचे जेन्ना उलयतना स्पिकर सर आमी सांगलोलें की एक ज्युडिशियल इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जाय म्हणून. बिकॉज PWD हॅज एक्झिक्युटेड दीज वर्क्स. दीस हॅज कॉस्टेड crores of rupees विदाउट टेकिंग इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स दी आर्टिस्टा जेन्ना गेल्ले स्पिकर सर जें लिकेज जाला इन द दिनानाथ मंगेशकर ऑडिटोरियम एंड द ब्लॅक बॉक्स. आय हॅव पर्सनली ऑल्सो सीन इट. सीपेज इज दे टू द वॉल्स. वॉलांतल्यान उदो येता लायनींतल्यान इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थिंगा. स्पिकर सर, एवरीथींग इज वेट. AC युनीट पड आहा तो शिफ्ट जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो तो थिंग वयर गायला. लायट, सावंड, अकुस्टीक हेका जे म्हाका दिसता टेक्निकली चोयल्यार दे आर ऑल आउटडेटेड. दे आर फावंड स्पिकर सर सब स्टँडर्ड. आय एम सरप्रायज हाव स्पिकर सर द PWD एक्झिक्युटेड दीज वर्क्स रिलेटेड टू दीस जेन्ना टेक्निकल मनीस आसतना. बिकॉज आय माय सेल्फ the equipment is old, sound is not. So somehow meeting kalakara bara tu kenna getlo held accountable whether PWD did it, because PWD has supplied these particular things. Accountability has to be taken place. Nala kitko jatle leakage जायना म्हणून हांव पर्सनली हांव तें ऑल हें कोना स्पिकर सर. बट आय हॅव सीन आम थिंग सोकला हें गेले ते दोना अनदर रूम बिलो द black box, all water was coming in the electricity wires also. This is risky. Speaker sir, speaking about water and sanitation, म्हाका दिसता की it is not only in Panjim, it is all across Sangyar, Saligaon, Penne, Bichole, Bardes, सगळे कडेन म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय water scarcityचो problem आहा. जे budget 22-23 तुवें म्हाका दिसता you have Honorable Chief Minister made a provision of 696 crores. However, what you spent was only 382 crores. Speaker sir, 50% only you spent. So under allocation कित्याक जालें? It was supposed to be, it had to be executed. Because हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता that आज रस्त्याचेर जे हड्डे आहाय you show us the roads that where there are no potholes. It is absolutely there. PWD has done poor works. जे constructed court premises. And the court premise जे बांदिले 120 crore. और तेज जे oil हे आले छत जे आले जे the top roof it got blown away without inaugurating only. So speaker sir, हुई ना हुई जे आमकां सकाळी कालच्या दिसाक आमी उलयले about several buildings. These buildings speaker sir जे were basically 167 unsafe आहले गेले ते वर्साक आतां 381 जाली. Why did 214 in 1 year increase? हुई ना हुई तुवें सांगला you made 600 crores of provision. Please make sure that this happens. The PWD department should, Speaker sir, should not become like postal works department. कित्याक हिंगा engineer and staff जे तुगे हाय they are looking like postal employees. हांव कित्याक सांगता Speaker sir, तूं sign मान दिता कोणागेली आडयना तेज मुखार कितें जाता तें कांय कोणा हे लाडू जाल्यार खबर ना टायम कितू 2-3 वर्सां रावपाची. Speaker sir, हे consultant जे पड अपॉइंट केलाय PWD consultant जे अपॉइंट केलाय PWD ना हांव मुगे ते लिस्ट दित तुका कितले सायन मारले ते फायल प्रोसेसूच जायनाय. MLA लेडाची हांव उलयना MLA लेडा आतां फंड कॅरी फॉरवर्ड जाता हो गेले एवरी इयर हां कॅरी फॉरवर्ड चाल मा तुका MLA लेडीज Speaker sir, आता हे consultant जे पड अपॉइंट केलाय they do show less thing to the PWD department and more loyalty to the contractors. आनीक म्हाका दिसता स्मार्ट सिटी जाल ते भाशेन जरी तर हे मुखार जालें जाल्यार आमकां सगल्यांक त्रास जातले. Speaker sir, आज आयच्या दिसाक I was trying to get to your attention today. There was another video that surfaced outside GMC and the blockage, traffic congestion. If some heart patients have to be taken in, they are all sarko choco block. Next day you send some people there to the PWD. They try to clean, but that is not the solution. Because when GMC is there, whatever needs to be done, patient taken into the sent to GMC itself is a serious thing. An ambulance passage जरी तर block जाता हुई ना हुई तुवें तेजेर एक कितें ना कितें उपाय काडपाक जाय. Speaker sir, जेन्ना आमी एक हांव तुका दाखोवन दिता defects DLP मो आसता DLP, that is defects liability period. And आमी प्रश्न विचारले. Now this is the second time. I had asked last time in January. This defect liability period, Speaker sir, is for works awarded and repairs. Jori to rost gele, zalyar the contractor has to repair this at their own cost. Anik, I had asked for details of the quality control check conducted by JE to Principal Chief Engineer of MSRITES. This is a central government agency of various road works from 2019 till date. हांवें इंचारलें की बाबा हें कितें काम कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरा बी जबाबदार दोल कामू ते इतू बिजी आहाय जानेवारी सो आन्सरू दिनाय म्हाका. Speaker sir, जानेवारी सो आन्सरू दिनाय म्हाका. Speaker sir, I want to bring it to your notice. जानेवारी आमी हाडले आदे सो सारके इतले skillful एकूय आन्सर दिनाय. How many have you done? Because I have an RTI. You tell me your answer, then after I will tell you what is my answer to the RTI. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता this is a very serious thing which you can catch these contractors accountable to do if substandard work जाला. All the MLAs will agree that throughout the constituency it is happening. 2-3 or 2-3 वर्सां हुंयच रोस्त सारको उरता चुकोन उरता. Speaker sir, हुंय ना हुंय हेजेर you have to act as per that act. Speaker sir, जे नॅशनल हायवे बांदले त्या नॅशनल हायवे भायर टॉयलेट, washroom, drinking water, is there any provision or any facility that the Honorable Chief Minister is planning to do? Je Cabral Bab, je last 6 months ago, Jenna he was PWD Minister, at that time he said that there was a provision. And so Honorable Chief Minister आमक सांगचे whether this proposal has been moved. आणि स्पेशली आता वेर्ना जंक्शनाचे जे कंजेशन जाता तो मोठ 40 मिनटान पावताय मग थिंग 10-20 मिनटां थिंग उताय आमी तो मोठ ब्रिज केल्याय मग हिंगसो हिंग पावपा थिंगाय मातशें कितें कोर
काय करता
हय स्पीकर सर जे म्हाका दिसता आमी बाणालेचे जो बाब वेन्झी सांगतालो फॉर बायपास टू बी बिल्ट ऑन स्टील्स लास्ट टायम 6 months back he raised this issue through calling attention. Today, at that time you said because NGT, High Court, Anikon not required. Today you see the state there. Because the recent rain fury has presented the truth and reality. Soglen thing are blocks because the entire area has got flooded. So whether you will look into this type of things, Boma is a prashna. What is your thing? Are you with the same formula? And Boma kelte mashe kunkod mash ko naka. Speaker sir, speaking on water supply. आज 131 crores you have spent. Kabar kota. Speaker sir, 131 crores you have spent on contractors, consultants, and you said Har Ghar Jal. Because the reality is, Panjim, Mapsa, Vasco, they are facing acute water problem. Speaker sir, I'll give you this fact, Honorable Chief Minister. I had WRDA question gatlolo ki regarding dynamic groundwater resources. आणि हे जेन्ना हो रिपोर्ट येयलो माननीय चीफ मिनिस्टर हे मातशें आयक 62% of the groundwater as per WRD is extracted for domestic purpose. 62% of the water that they extract. 33% is for irrigation and 5% is for industries. So a lot of people are depending on this Har Ghar Jal. हे म्हाका दिसता तुवें if you counter check your figures get exposed. Because when will this government be able to give 24/7? Sudin Bab येलो तो 24/7 तेगे स्वप्न आशिल्लें 24/7 उदो दिवपाक ते मागीर काबरालान 4 और केलें तूं कितें और कोतो तें हांगा मातशें सांग. स्पीकर सर जे बिल्डिंगाचें हांव उलयना वी हॅव टोल्ड यू अबाउट द सिग्निफिकंट लास्ट स्पीकिंग ऑन फायनान्स आतां स्पीकर सर फ्यू थिंग्स I would like to point out to the Honorable Chief Minister. The public debt of the state of the government is something that we are being debating. Something I jenna number हाडले त्या वेळार ना नंबराचे उलयना आनी हेच ना तेच ना केला. But this is a very serious thing. I am strictly speaking on what I have seen in the CAG report. Today you will place the CAG report. If I find something in that, I will again point it out to you. Speaker sir, our Chief Minister takes satisfaction that the public borrowing is within the FRBM Act. You say you can borrow even more. I feel this is a rogue. हें एक दुयेंस आनी तूं एक दोतोर तुवें तें दुयेंस मारपा तूं इंजेसांव मारतालो टॅबलेट कितें दितलो दुसरी टॅबलेट न्हू सारकी तें मार रोग काबार कोन्न उडय आनी घेवपा वचनाकात म्हणाक आपूण आनी लोन बीन गेलें ना हूंय ना हूंय स्पीकर आनीकूय आहा दोतोर तें सारकें तेजें ऑपरेशन कर सार मार तेका फार आनी घेवपा वचनाका स्पीकर सर हें this is basically we are borrowing your attitude seems to be we borrow we spend. This is what you are saying. You are within the limit. But ये वाढवता हा ये वाढपा जरी तो तुवें सांगलें ना उमके उणें केलां जाल्यार I will give you credit because I don't know. This is the problem that you are creating for and leaving for your successor also. Maybe you never know who is your successor, whether you will be there, who will be there. But ये जे वाढवता हा आज रीण बारीकसो जरी चोयल्यार because it's rocket high. 31st March 2024. The figure was 27,352. Anik till 30th June 2024, it has increased to 27,489. In this few months, March to June, this has translated to 137 crores. Speaker sir, if you look at the finance minister's statement, what you estimated, ki tu estimate kello 26,605 crores, but the actual thing as of June 30th is 27,489. So you have crossed by almost 900 crores. 8 months are still left to go on your figures what you have given. Means what you predicted and what has come because to get the mining kai illa bitor ani he sogle he zala kichidi. Speaker sir, 2,000 crore you are paying towards interest. The statement that we are on a basically you are saying that we are सारखे सुसेगाद आहाय उदो हिंग पावलां सारकें हिंगा पूण तूं सुसेगाद आहा पूण हूंय ना हूंय हें उदो दिवं हें मातशें उदो दिवं कितें हांव सांगत आसा बिकॉज वी आर लायक अ सिंकींग शीप अदरवायज this is going to be a complete mess. Two things, Speaker sir, I want to got another clarification that the government of, you have said that the government of India has released 1,661 crores for centrally sponsored schemes. Ata, what I saw is there is expenditure only of 757 crores. So central scheme is per 1,000 soche, you have only 757. Speaker sir, this is around 50% of the utilization of the amount released on the central schemes. Where is the balance gone is something that the Honorable Chief Minister needs to clarify. Speaker sir, e-governance korpak तुवें सांगिल्लें ते एक्सिस बँकां तुवें भायर मारलें तें बरें केलें म्हणजे तांकां ऑप्शन दिलां बट सगळ्या युनिफॉर्म हितून हाडलां. You said that various banks are done for e-governance, delivering public services. आणि majority जे bank आहे, Speaker sir, you said that this would be dispersed through timely measures. I believe this is not true. If you look at the way pensions, now DSS, senior citizen, disabled person, widows to be made for pending high. So what are we trying to say? 2 महिने 3 महिने आज जरी तर असेंब्ली जाल म्हटरी डिमांड आहोन ते पयस डिस्पर्स जाते मागीर त्याच नंतर 2-3 महिने उरताय. सो गिव देम सम क्लॅरिटी स्पीकर सर कित्याक इफ यू लूक तुगे मतदारसंघात पावस जाता आसतले तांकां 2,000 रुपया मेळटाय त्यो बायल जाणटे बायल पड आमगे आहाय बँका वयता तांकां 400 रुपया देस्पेस लागता वचपाक. बाबा येल रे पयशे काम थिंग मॅनेजराक कोण जाता ते पयशे येयले जाल्यार पोत गरोयताय आनी एक 15 दिसान हांको येता आनी एक 400 रुपया.
स्पीकर सर तांकां पयशे येयले काय मेसेज वयता मोबायलाचेर मागीरूच ती पयशे काडपाक वता वो कितेंय सांगता. स्पीकर सर आमी जर रीण काडटा सर जाल्यार रीण पळय एक मिनीट स्पीकर सर रीण आमी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करपाक काडटा आनी ताका कळपा खातीर सांगता FRBM लिमीट न्ही फाटल्या 3 महिन्याक मार्च पासून आता पर्यंत एकूय पयसो रीण काडूंक ना वयल्यान फायनान्शियल मॅनेजमेंट
ना हांव तुवें रीण काडना म्हणा आनी उणकोर
उणोच केला हांवें
ना हें तूं पळय सांगतालो आपणाच्यान इतलें करूं जात मू आतां तें चेंज केलें तुवें
उणें केला वयल्यान म्हणून सांगता फाटल्या वर्साक 4,000 कोटी घेवपाक आशिल्ले
तेयान घेनाका
2,700 crores
ना ना हांव कितें म्हणटा हांवें जायत दुसरें जालें तुका तें बरें केलें तुवें गूड दॅट इट इज अ स्टार्ट. But I will congratulate you when you make sure that the figures are down. Figures are swelling. आज it is 35,000 or 37,000 crores. प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचे almost 2.5 लाखाचे रीण आहा. This is not figures that I am saying. This is the figures that you give us. Speaker sir, ये जे लाडली लक्ष्मी स्कीम आहे आणि सगळ्यो जे आम उलयले हिंगा I request आणि Honorable Chief Minister, please make sure that whatever we have spoken, I said it last time as well, you all take a note, all the opposition MLAs, ruling MLAs, there has to be a system. I think before the Chief Secretary is to write down, it is to go through a system. I don't know whether that system has been paralyzed. Please make sure that you do that. Speaker sir, एक last आयजेर आमी उलयतना की CAG
गिलोटीन आटांक
म्हाका हांव कोत मरे काबार तेला पयलो उलयलां स्पीकर 2 मिनटान काबार कोता. Speaker sir, 31st March 2020 it stated that the off-budget physical operation amounting to rupees 919 crores as per CAG. This resulted in an understating of overall debt by 1.14% of the GSDP. हें हुई ना हुई मुखेलमंत्री नांक सांगपाक जाय. Speaker sir, if you look basically जे फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट आनी मॅनेजमेंट आहा हें काँग्रेस सरकारान 2009 बसयल्लें. आयक हांव सांगत स्पीकर सर, by converting the finance commission into commission cell. Ada tinga speaker sir, issues relating to RBI matters, open market borrowing, central finance commission, sinking fund, guaranteed redemption fund, FRBM त्या खबर आहा वचो येयलो दिगंबर बाबा हें खबर आहा त्याच टायमार जालोय. PSUs, house building, motor car advance, NABARD loan. Speaker sir, whether these system exists now, who's monitoring, whether these exist now, and my Congressan कांय केलें ना म्हणा whether they are तुकली कोण
government is a continuous process.
तें बरें. So speaker sir, now म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय austerity measures आम घेतले वो फक्त to promote the government post facto under आनी कितले इव्हेंट जातले. if you stop हे इव्हेंटूय जे तुवें म्हाका आन्सर दिले ते भाशेन आपूण रीण काडला मू हें दुयेंस आपूण मारूं सोदिता तेच पद्दतीन हे इव्हेंटूय मातशे तुवें जरी तर उण केले तुवें समज तुगे फिगर देंवले जाल्यार आय विल कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट थँक्यू स्पिकर सर